Okay, what's up guys? So what I'm going to do in this video is show you how to create this cool looking object and using geometry nodes. So it's really easy. It's basically Suzanne the monkey, and if I scale it up, basically that in this kind of format using geometry nodes, and you can do it with any object. So once you've done it with this one, you can see if I go to camera mode, you can see it kind of looks like the monkey, which is pretty cool. And yeah, all in geometry nodes. It's really easy, and let's jump into it. Okay, so first thing you want to do, let me delete the monkey. So first thing you're going to go is Shift A, mesh, monkey, then go S, scale it up. Now what you want to do is go to geometry nodes, so boom, and then go here, zoom in, hit new. Okay, and then first thing you want to do is go Shift A, go here to search, type in mesh to volume, and plug this in here. Okay, bring this up, bring this down to all the way, and then bring this here, then go Shift A, type in distribute, and go to distribute points in volume, plug this in here. The next thing you want to do is go to density, make this 50, and then change this from random to grid. Okay, change this spacing, so let's go with hit shift, so hold down shift, select all of these, 0.05. actually let's go again, make it 0.02. looks a bit better. Okay, then go Shift A, type in instance, and look for instance on points, plug that in there, and then bring this up, bring this up, bring this up, bring this up, and then go Shift A, search, type in icosphere, plug this in here, plug the mesh into the instance, and now bring the radius to 0.05. Then go Shift A, type in color ramp, then put this here, plug the color to the scale, and then obviously you can't see anything, so what you want to do is uncheck pick instance, and now we're starting to get somewhere. Okay, what I'm going to do is just hide this so that it makes the computer a bit faster, and then go Shift A, type in noise, get a noise texture, plug the color into the factor, switch this to 4D, and then uncheck this, and there we go. And then you can bring this down. The more you bring it down, obviously the clearer it is. And then let's go back to 0.05. change the density 10, and that will allow your computer to be a bit faster. Okay, you can see if you bring the density quite high up, it's going to make the computer pretty slow. This looks good. And then you can see here, if I go to layout, okay, and then if I go here, click here, you can see everything is white. Okay, so if you want to make this a color or put a material on it, it's actually pretty easy. You go back here, go back to geometry nodes, and then you want to add one more node. So go Shift A, type in set material, and then plug this in here. Now let's go back here to layout, go here to materials, click here, go to material, boom, new, change this color, let's make it like a blue, and then you'll see if I go back here, it's still white. Okay, so how do we change this? Go back to geometry nodes, and then select here, material, go back to layout, boom. That's how you change the material. Okay, it's very easy, very simple. Then you can bring the metallic up, that looks even cooler. and now you can change the color. Okay, so that's how you create a material. And let's go back to geometry nodes. Now what you can do is bring this in, and this makes it bigger that way, and then W, you can make it like 50. You can play with the scale, 0.1, and you can just play around with it, or you can leave it at 3D. Same thing, it's up to you. But yeah, hopefully you enjoyed this video. It's a quick one. This will work on any kind of like object that you create, so you don't have to do it with the icosphere. You can add like a square, and then you can do it to any kind of object to start with, so like a human, skull, face, car, anything. You can have fun with it. So what I'll do is I'll upload this to the Patreon, so you can download the file for free if you remember. Otherwise, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.